नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब अर्जे और वड़क्कम. Namaskar. So, friends, as earlier we talked about the PCL, how the PCL started first time in Japan, and it's a film company, the Photo Chemical Laboratory. 1921 they started. 29, sorry, 29 they started, established. And I told you everything about. He made 2 films first, then they made 8 films, then 16 films. Then it was taken over by some Horayu Jinshai. So now this episode I'm talking about Mr. Akira Kurosawa, how he entered in the PCL. He had occurred to me into the film industry. Akira Kurosawa said, it had never occurred to me to in the film industry. But when I saw that advertisement, my interest was suddenly aroused. Prospective assistant directors were put through a series of tests. The first of these was written composition on the fundamental deficiency of Japanese films. The first time when he saw the advertise in the newspaper and he applied for assistant directors post, perspective of assistant directors, so it was the first written composition on the. So there was a question called the fundamental deficiency of Japanese film. Then he replied in his written test, if the deficiency were fundamental, if deficiencies were fundamental, Kurosawa replied in his easy, then there is no way to correct them. If the deficiency were fundamental, then there was no way to correct them. This is the reply of Akira Kurosawa. Nevertheless, PCL was impressed by his obvious and extensive knowledge of both the Japanese and foreign film. His father and brother had taken him too, as well as traditional art and literature. Earlier, I told you about how he learned literature, art, everything, even painting. He was very passionate about paintings, and he skipped military training and entered in the military. So, because of this knowledge for Western cinema and Japanese cinema, they impressed, PCL guys are impressed, and they took him in PCL studio. Few months later, he was called at the PCL studio. But after a few months, he got a call from PCL, and located in then rural, the PCL studio located that time in southwestern Tokyo suburb of Shiajo in Setagayoku. When he arrived, there were more than 130 people. That was the last interview, like selection procedure goes. 130 people assembled in the studio courtyard for the second round interview. I knew that all this they need only 5 people. 130 people are around there, but they need only 5 people to select it. Actually, to hire. And no longer felt like taking the second test. He was not interested to give second test, but still he said, "Okay, let's go for it." But he stays and completed simple screenplay pages, followed by an oral examination. There be met the man whom he would come to regard as the best teacher of his entire life, Kajiro Yamamoto. There was one man to whom he inspired and admired and always mentored. That was Mr. Kajiro Yamamoto. That was he met in PCL. I really wanted someone who was understood motion pictures, Yamamoto said. And then Yamamoto told him, I really wanted somebody who should understand the motion pictures. And then a person who understood music. And after that, a person who understands literature. I needed those 3 qualities which none of assistant director had at that time. You need 3 special qualities in assistant director. There was the music, to understand music, who understand literature, and understood motion pictures. None of assistant director had that. But we interviewed 10 people. Among them, they picked up 3 out of those 10. Kurosawa dressed poorly for the first 4 or 5 years. Picked up 3 of those, and all in 10 people, the 3 people was selected. That was Akira Kurosawa, one of them. So these are, but what kind of he asked you, what you do basically? This Yamamoto. He said, I am a painter. What kind of a painting you do? Well, I like one York. He said, I like one Van Gogh. I thought he was a genuine. While we are talking about painters, and the person who seemed to be manager of general affairs section seated next to me and asked me, how much do you want to get paid? Looked embarrassed. His face turned red into said, he as much as I can get. Everybody laughed and company was reluctant to hire him, but I asked, please hire him no matter what. Kurosawa indeed hired on February 26, 1936 at 28 in month. 1936, 26 February, Kurosawa joined PCL as salaried per month in 28. So this is it for this much. Thank you very much. For next episode, I will talk about other things and films, how you proceed, how you learn things. And thank you very much. Please subscribe, share it.